Welcome to the Bambar Studios channel. Today is day 14 of our 30-day Ignite challenge here on YouTube, where there's a new workout video every single day in the month of January to make sure you start 2025 off strong. Today we have a shoulder burnout. So one circuit, no repeats, no breaks even. We're just gonna blast the shoulders non-stop. So feel free to do this on its own. If you ever just want a nice little shoulder pump, you just have a couple minutes. Or in the future, if you're doing a full body workout, upper body workout, press play on this and you can just blast those shoulders and finish off nice and fiery. All you need is a very light resistance band. By the end of it, it will feel so heavy. And we're gonna start right away with our warm-up. All right, grab a band for this warm-up as well. We're not gonna use it right now, but we will in a couple seconds. We're gonna start just with some big shoulder circles. Going backwards as big as you can. Pulling them all the way up to your ears and then all the way down. Let's reverse. Good. Next, we're going to rotate our arms. So have a goalpost arms up 90 degrees. And I just want you to flip your arms. Feel maybe some cracks. Just warm up the shoulder in that motion there. Good. After this, we're grabbing our band. Good. Grabbing our band wide above our head, and we're just going to lean to one side and lean to the other. So pull on the band. Feel that stretch all along here by pulling on the lower arm. Good. And lastly, we're going to do band overheads. So grabbing the band as wide as you need to, starting in front of you and bringing the band over your head behind you. So the closer your hands are together, the harder or more mobility in your shoulder you'll need. Try and keep your arms straight and not move your torso. All right, let's get into the circuit. Okay, like I said, no breaks in this workout. So take the first couple seconds, you're gonna hear the ding and set up the next exercise. And once you get set up, just get right into it, okay? We're gonna start with an overhead press. So grabbing a band, standing on the end of it, and the wider the stance, the harder this will be. Bringing the band up to your chin, and we're gonna press above. All right, let's go. So even if this feels a little too light for you, know that it's gonna get intense. Exhale on the way up and back down. Make sure to engage your core. Your low back should not be hurting, so tuck your pelvis under if you feel any pain. In 3 seconds, we're just going to go to the top half. All right, so stay here. Just go to the top of your head and to the extending above your head. All right? Already, I regret this band decision. But we're gonna try and stick with it. Last 10, and then we're gonna switch to an external rotation. In 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, grab your band, and we're gonna bring it at this height, palms up, and you're gonna bring your hands out while keeping your elbows glued to your side, okay? So working that external rotation of the shoulder, working all the back of our shoulders, grabbing the band, your hands, if your hands are closer, that makes it harder, all right? In 10 seconds, we're gonna keep and build off of this external rotation. You're gonna do an external rotation, raise above, and come back down, all right? So external rotate into a Y, down and in. So out, up. So just straighten your arms on that angle. In, out. Good. Just pulling even more in that rotated position. Good. After this, we're going to an upright row. Last 5. One more here. Ooh. Good. All right, so now standing on your band again, you're gonna grab your band, palms facing you, pulling up, elbows out. Good. Again, if you want to increase the resistance, just take a little step out. That adds more pull on the band. Shoulders down, away from your ears. Last 5 seconds. Next, we're moving to a serve the platter exercise. So palms up, elbows beside you. You're going to bring your hands out and back in. Elbows can go behind you for this one. So keep your shoulders down. We're working the front of our shoulders, palms up, and just keeping tension on the band. Inhale, exhale. Good. 3 seconds. We're doing another version of a press. Bring your hands to a prayer, and we're going to press above our head like so. Good. You got this. In 5 seconds, we're going to make a rainbow with this same press. So bring your hands to the right of your face, rainbow over your head, okay? Oh my gosh. No more pressing over our head after this, all right? Last 10. Make that rainbow. 3, 2, 1. Good. Dropping that, we're going to do a lateral raise on our right side or one side. Put the band in the opposite foot, and we're going to lift that arm up and come back down. All right, so I like to put the band on the back of my hand so I don't have to rely on grip, but feel free to find that resistance. Might be lighter than usual, that's completely fine. But if you want to increase it, just widen your stance. That pull on the band increases. But work in that range of motion. If your hand is going down here, I don't want it there, all right? In 3 seconds, we're gonna hold at the top. All right, hold, 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 hold. Just try and hold. 3 seconds, we're gonna go back to reps. Let's go, back to reps here. 3 seconds, we're gonna hold at the top. 2, 1, hold. Oh. It's It's okay if you drop, come back into it. 3 seconds, back to reps one more time. Let's go. Oh my gosh, back to reps. Woo. Last 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's do that all on the other side. So starting with full reps, up and down, up and down. So again, work in the range where you have resistance. Stop there and then go back up. Going up to shoulder height. I don't want it above that, all right? In 10 seconds, we're gonna hold at the top. In 5, 3, 2, 1, hold. This is gonna be killer. All right. In 3 seconds, we're going back to reps. 3, 2, 1, back to reps. Holding in 3, 2, 1, hold. You can do it. It's okay if you're shaking. Going back to reps in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. All right, you can do it. In 3, 2, 1. Good. All right. Now we're doing a front raise. Thumbs up. You're going to bring the band up like that. All right. I'm going to be honest with you. We're doing that hold pattern for this as well. So again, I'm only moving where there's tension on the band. Put one foot under the band if you prefer that. Find your resistance. In 3 seconds, we're going to hold, all right? Oh, no, sorry. So sorry. In 5 seconds, we're going to hold. 3, 2, 1, hold. Core on, shoulders down. 3 seconds, back to reps. 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to reps. Full reps. This is our last exercise. 3, 2, 1, we're holding. Hold, hold, hold. Last time we're holding. If you're shaking, that's okay. Back to reps in 3, 2, 1. Last 10 seconds of work, then we're done. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna do a couple stretches just to loosen that out. You made it. All right, first exercise. We're gonna bring both of our hands behind our back, like so. If you like to bend it like that, that's a little more intense stretch, or you can bring your hands straight behind you. Good. Next, you're going to bring the back of your hand and put it on your side, and then other hand, grab your elbow and try and just bring it in slightly. Very small movement here, but you should feel the stretch, the top of your shoulders and the back of it. Good. Other side. So the back of your hand on your waist. Reach over, grab that elbow, and just use the weight of your arm. I don't want you to pull with all your force. Should be gentle, but you should feel that stretch. Good. And lastly, we're going to cross one arm over the other. And switch. Shoulder burnout complete. Shake it out. So proud of you for getting through that. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and please like this video. It really helps us out a lot to know what you like, what I should film next, and if you enjoyed the workout. All right, I will see you next time on the mat.